So here are the 3 best things about this Gromast compact fold baby stroller, all right? First, it features a true one hand, one click, quick fold design, okay? You can effortlessly collapse the stroller, in seconds with one hand, and once it is folded, it stands completely upright on its own, so you can pick it up easily without even having to bend over, all right? Secondly, it is incredibly lightweight. It's portable and it's durable, okay? Made with a strong aircraft grade aluminum frame. The whole stroller weighs just 14 pounds, making it light enough to lift and carry over your shoulder or pack into tight spaces like car trunks, closets, or airplane overhead bins, stuff like that, right? And finally, this is perfect for frequent travelers and active parents alike who want zero compromises on comfort and weather protection, okay? It is loaded with user-friendly extras like an extra wide seat with an effortless recline button. You got a roomy under seat storage basket and included cup holder and extendable waterproof UPF 50 plus canopy with a peekaboo window to keep your child safe from the sun and the rain. Look, if y'all want a premium feather light travel stroller that makes family outings completely hands-free, this is definitely worth checking out on Amazon. Peace, y'all.